The mayor of Salt Lake City has a lot to deal with in her first 2 months as mayor. We're talking about the coronavirus, now, of course, the earthquake yesterday. So Aaron Mendenhall is joining us on the phone this morning to talk about their response to the earthquake and the COVID-19.
Good morning, Mayor. With you on the phone as well, Ben Collender from the city's Department of Economic Development. How are you guys doing this morning?
We're good.
Great.
Good.
So,
busy 24 hours.
I can't imagine.
Very.
So at this point in our emergency response, what are your top priorities this morning?
Our top priorities are keeping people safe, making sure that we reduce this risk, flatten that curve. Number two would be that our healthcare system remains functional and our public safety officers are safe as well. That includes our 911 dispatch, so that no matter what happens, you will be in good hands in Salt Lake City. Number three would be that we kind of keep the wheels on our economic development and keep our city services running as well. So the resilience of our economy also depends on our city's ability to render all of the services that we need to. Those have been our priorities from the beginning, and they really are still guiding us today, even though it's getting kind of crazier and crazier every day.
So now that we had a day to kind of process everything and take a look at where everything sits this morning, where did we stand here this morning?
Well, believe it or not, you're actually my first phone call of the day. I haven't yet talked with my department directors to hear what analysis has happened since I left the public safety building at about 6 o'clock last night. I know that our crews have been working around the clock. At this point, I'm pleasantly surprised at how well our infrastructure maintained its integrity through the many quakes and aftershocks that we've had since 7:09 yesterday. So we're functioning, public utilities are functioning, our streets are all passable, and we're continuing to evaluate our 88 buildings or so that Salt Lake City owns to just make sure we know what we have to do and what we have to take care of.
Mayor, your recommendation yesterday to people was, or you really pled for them to just stay home. Is that your advice still this morning?
Absolutely. You know, I think I was actually on the cusp of making that request yesterday morning before the earthquake, and it's even more relevant, of course, now. We need our roadways to be clear. We need first responders to be able to move. We need those UDOT and Salt Lake City folks who are doing the analysis of infrastructure to be able to get where they need to. But the biggest thing is that we need to stop the risk of spreading this disease any further. We know that the testing is way behind. We know that there are more cases than we're aware of, and we know that that proximity to every one of us is probably a lot closer than we were comfortable with. So if people can stay home, it helps. And yet, at the same time, we're trying to keep our economy resilient. So that's a lot of the work that Ben's doing.
Now, let me ask you about that. I know you've got Ben on the line there as well. So, Ben, what is this doing to our economy today?
Well, first of all, great to see you, Brian, or I guess be speaking with you on the phone, Brian.
Yeah, that's how we connect now.
Yeah, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, we saw events starting to unfold last week, and we knew it was going to be really important to have a pulse on the business community immediately. So our team crafted a survey, put it out to businesses so that when we respond as a government, we know we're doing it with quantitative data as well as qualitative, and we're having conversations with businesses as well. Some of the points at a high level that we've heard from our survey, 99% of respondents have experienced a revenue loss, and 90% of the respondents are businesses with 75 employees or less. 82% are closing temporarily or reducing hours, and 23% have experienced a revenue loss of 91 to 100%. So we know it's hitting our economy, and we're responding quickly. One of the things that, the mayor and the council have been, so thoughtful about in allowing us to respond quickly is the creation of a loan program. We launched this last night, and the intent is to bridge some of the federal funding that's going to come. That takes time to come through, and we know businesses don't necessarily have time right now. They're thinking fast and moving fast. And so we created this loan program that's $1 million, and the terms are really intended to be flexible, fast-moving, and low interest, so that business owners will have the ability to respond to what's going on out there right now.
Ben and Mayor Mendenhall, thank you so much for being there this morning. Those funds are obviously going to be extremely helpful to our small businesses, and we'll make sure to link all the information about how to apply for those and make sure that we're getting those out on our website at abc4.com/GMU.